Hello everyone, don't just stir fry or make cold potato shreds anymore. Crack 3 eggs into them, and as soon as it's out of the pan, it turns into a unique delicacy that many people have never tried before. It's nutritious and appetizing, making it perfect for both the elderly and children. Let's follow the video and see how I make it. Prepare a fresh potato and peel it. After peeling the potato, cut it a few times. Then place the cut side of the potato down on the cutting board so it won't slip while you're slicing. Cut the potato into thin slices, trying to keep the thickness as even as possible for a better texture. Next, lay the potato slices flat and cut them into thin shreds, again aiming for even thickness so they cook evenly. If you're not confident with your knife skills, you can also use a grater to shred the potato. Place the shredded potatoes into a large bowl. There's no need to rinse the potato shreds with water this time. Crack 3 fresh eggs directly into the bowl. Then use chopsticks to beat the eggs and mix everything well. Make sure every strand of potato is evenly coated with the egg mixture. Potatoes are naturally rich in starch, and we use this starch to help the mixture hold together, so there's no need to rinse the shredded potatoes with water. After mixing well, add a spoonful of salt for basic seasoning and a spoonful of chicken bouillon. A little bit of pepper. Continue to use chopsticks to mix the seasonings evenly. After mixing well, set it aside to marinate for 5 minutes so the shredded potatoes can fully absorb the flavors. Next, take a tomato and score a cross on the surface. Then put it in a large bowl, pour in boiling water, and blanch the tomato. Once the tomato is blanched, peel off the skin. Tomatoes are very nutritious and contain a lot of vitamins. We should let children eat more of them regularly. Then cut the tomato vertically into thick slices, but don't cut all the way through. Next, cut it into thick slices in the opposite direction. Finally, cut it horizontally into cubes. This method makes dicing tomatoes quick and easy. After chopping, place the ingredients in a small bowl for later use. Prepare half a green bell pepper and cut it into strips. Then cut it into small cubes. After cutting, place them on a plate for later use. Cut half a red bell pepper into small cubes. Prepare 10 grams of fresh ginger, smash it, and then chop it into small pieces. Chop a few scallions into scallion flowers. Make a sauce by adding a spoonful of light soy sauce and a spoonful of oyster sauce to a bowl. Add a touch of dark soy sauce for color. Add a spoonful of sugar to enhance the flavor. Then add half a small bowl of water. Use a spoon to thoroughly stir and dissolve the seasonings, then set aside. Add a little oil to the pan. Then pour in the shredded potato and egg mixture. Arrange it a bit with chopsticks. Then use a spatula to flatten it out. Turn the heat to low and slowly fry it until the bottom sets. Once it has set, gently shake the pan to ensure even heating. After the bottom turns golden, flip it over. Continue to cook on low heat, frying it slowly. Fry the potato and egg pancake until both sides are golden brown. Our potato and egg pancake is done frying. Take it out and set it aside. Then add a little oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, add the tomatoes and stir fry until they release their juices. Dear friends, if my video has been helpful to you, please give me a like with your lucky hands. Thank you all for your support. Next, add the scallions, ginger and garlic and stir fry until fragrant. Add the prepared sauce mixture. Then use a spatula to stir everything evenly and bring it to a boil over high heat. Next, add the fried potato and egg pancakes. Pour the sauce over them. Then cover with a lid and simmer on low heat for 3 minutes to let the potato and egg pancakes absorb the flavors. Time's up. Open the lid. Wow, it smells amazing. Then sprinkle in the diced green and red peppers. Cover with the lid again and simmer for another 30 seconds. This shredded potato and egg pancake is truly mouth-watering. Just looking at it makes me drool. Alright, take it out of the pan and plate it up. Sprinkle some fragrant chopped scallions on top, and it's ready to serve. A delicious potato and egg pancake is ready, nutritious, appetizing, and satisfying. The recipe is very simple, and the potatoes have soaked up all the tomato juices, making every bite incredibly tasty. If you like it, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try.